unfortunately passed away some years back. I continue to commiserate with you and your family on that loss. So my first question is, how are you, Attorney Ronnie Zamora? How have you coped with a loss of one very precious daughter?
I'm sorry. This is a question that has caught me off guard. But my daughter was a lawyer. She studied in Ateneo, which I used to tease her that I didn't even know that Ateneo had a law school. But she was a good lawyer, and she was a painter. She wrote. She did a lot of things, but at 38, which means that she passed on 4 years, 5 months, and 20 days before today. I have tried to cope. I have tried to put up a small foundation so that I can help fight what she died from, which is acute myelogenous leukemia. Acute myelogenous leukemia, if you catch it when you are young, there is a good chance that you will survive it. It doesn't cost that much, Undersecretary Muskie, to save children in there when they are 5 or 6, because their immune system is still, while impaired, is still around. When my daughter was dying in Houston, every day that she was there, her numbers would drop to 0. Every day. That is because when AML strikes you and you are past a certain age, it is almost certain that you will die. We tried to fight it. Her doctors told me that there is no chance. But trying to be a good father, you will not accept even reality like that. And so we fought it. I organized a small group of Filipinos in Houston because she needed white blood transfusions every day. And since you are not allowed to give white blood transfusions more than once every 4 weeks, you have to organize a small group. And people, many of whom I did not know, they came and they started this system of rotating donors. And we were able to do that. But unfortunately, being a lawyer, she signed what is called an NPR, NDR. It is do not resuscitate. She had a heart seizure, and she underwent cardiac arrest. She could have lived, except she had signed her own, in effect, death certificate. She did not want to live under those conditions, and the doctors allowed her to pass on. How have I coped? Well, it has not been easy, But you will take one step at a time. You will try to remember to breathe in and out. At the end, you will try to live for the next day, and the next week, and the next month. And that is what I have done. I am sorry for breaking up, but I have not been asked that question for some years.
Maraming salamat po, Attorney Zamora. I'm sorry for your loss again. That's my only question, Mr. Chairman. Thank you very much, Attorney
Thank you.
Zamora. I wish you all the best.
Magandang hapon po,
Magandang hapon po,
Congressman.
Justice.
Sabi nyo kanina, to cope with one step at a time. Hindi ho ba?
Opo.
Iba kayong pag-Chief Justice nyo eh. Next step yun.
Hindi po. Hindi po ako umaasa doon.
Okay.